this is me Rosalie, and today I'm a bit sick, so if it gets hard to understand, then I'm sorry. So many of you asked me to do a blending video, so I thought I'll do it. Well, first of all, I want you to make a list like this with the acrylic marker set that you have. Secondly, we're gonna need a tissue and some brushes, some flat brushes, and then we'll need a drawing, like obviously, and then we're gonna put the chart in front of our painting, so in front of our drawing, so that we can see that and take our color. So first of all, I usually put the darkest colors or the places that creates most of the contrast. Then I come to the shapes. This is very important with acrylic markers, that if you work with shapes, it looks very much better because it is an opaque medium and it gives you the room to create the crisp, confident shapes. Also, in the beginning stages, I try to be fast so that the paint from the acrylic marker stays wet. While it's still wet, I'll just add different colors above it, and those will blend very nicely. And then sometimes I fix the shapes better with a color pencil. Remember, this is a beginner friendly video, and where I'll show you how I approach blending, but I want to make a part 2 of this video where I will show you guys how I pick my colors, and you can also let me know what can I cover in that video. You guys can let me know that in the comments. Also, if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe to me, and you can also follow me in my Instagram. I will link it down in the description. Oh, and I'm also on Patreon now. I'll link that too. The second one is fingertips. I really do find it very easy to blend acrylic markers with fingertips. I mean, it really comes very handy, and it sometimes leaves you with a nice texture as well. So I really recommend using your fingertips. Okay, so one thing that I don't like about this set, that this doesn't have any dark gray. Like here, I would have liked if they had a really dark gray, but they just have or like dark, very dark brown, but they just have this black, and their darkest brown was the one that I put it on the shirt. And my third technique is glazing. Glazing is when you paint a thin transparent layer of color over a dry opaque layer to subtly change its appearance. Well, it looks a bit messy when it's wet, but I promise it looks much better when it gets dry. And this is another thing that I use while blending acrylic markers, which is color pencils. Okay, so I'm not a color pencil person, but with acrylic markers, I think I really like how useful this gets. Like, you can use it on the edges or as a gradient tool as well. I really like it. And we're done. Let me know if it was any helpful or you'd like to know more about something. Alright, bye.